Hello dear friends, welcome to Tasty Buds. Today is all about how to make bendi fry. So in the plate I have taken half kg of bendi which has been cut into cross section. As you can see here how I cut the lady's finger. Into another bowl I have taken one tomato and one big size onion which is finely diced with some curry leaves, a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, half a tablespoon of red chili powder which is good in spice, and mustard, urud dal, jeera, chana dal, asafoetida and turmeric. So I have kept here kadai which is oil has been heated up well. So now I am letting all the lady's finger inside the hot oil. So the oil is well heated here. So I am dipping all the lady's finger into it. I am allowing it to fry. Once it is well fried, I will be taking it out. So please observe what kind of fry to be done to the lady's finger. I put the flame to high, just rotate it, let all the lady's finger fry into oil very finely. So the lady's finger has been well fried. I am now transferring it into the plate. So the lady's finger should be into this texture while removing it from the oil. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of oil is much sufficient since the lady's finger has also consistence of oil. So no need to take more oil, 2 tablespoons of oil is enough. To this I am adding now onions which is finely diced, whole bulb onion big size along with few curry leaves and giving a good stir. With teaspoon of turmeric and fry it well and allow it to change into its golden color. So let it fry for a few seconds. So now the onions are well fried. Do not fry the onion too much. Let it be in this stage. Now I am going to add all the spices. I am adding now half a tablespoon of chili powder. You can increase and decrease the spice as you prefer. 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. Teaspoon of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of gram flour powder. So mix all the ingredients together and put the flame to low. So mix it well. Give a good toss. Once it is fried with other ingredients in the oil, it will give a good fragrance and as well as good taste. And I am also adding a few pinch of asafoetida. A teaspoon of Tata salt which is good in salt taste and as well as iodine. I am adding now the tomatoes, 1 whole tomato which is finely cut, giving a good mix. Once the tomatoes are well smashed, add few drops of water so that it all combines well with all the ingredients and give a soggy effect. Now to this gravy I am adding 1 small glass of water. So the water in the onion and tomato oozes out well to combine along with bhendi, or also called as lady's finger. I am closing here with the lid and I am simmering the flame. So let it cook for just few minutes. Now to this well fried bhendi, I am adding a teaspoon of ghee and mixing it well. Now to this added mixture of all ingredients, I am now adding the lady's finger which is fried. Now I have mixed all the ingredients well and I have given a good toss. I will simmer the flame and close it with the lid for just few seconds. So the oil content which is there in the lady's finger, bhendi and other substance will be oozing up and give us a delicious tasty sabji. I am closing it with the lid for few seconds. Dear friends, our lady's finger sabji is ready now. I am switching off the flame. As you can see, the side portion, the oils are oozing it up. Now it's right time to switch off the flame and transfer it into the plate. A beautiful, tasty, flavored bhendi or lady's finger sabji gravy is ready. Please note down the instructions what I have told and the measurement. So even you will get the same kind of bhendi sabji. So follow the instructions and savory this recipe as how I have done, and let me know in the comment section below how it has turned out. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my Tasty Bud channel for more other interesting recipes. Thank you very much for the viewers and subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I'll be posting much more recipes. Please keep watching. Thank you.